Hello guys, and welcome back to Jenny's crypto class. So in this video we are going to look at VOXEL exchange wave launch. Right now you can exchange your dollar VOXEL to ton. And how do you do that? You need to meet some eligibility criteria. If you are here to start mining VOXEL, there will be link in the video description. Use that link and join immediately. Start mining VOXEL. VOXEL is another airdrop in Telegram that is going to do well, so do not joke with it. And if you use my promo code, you are going to earn extra commission. Link in the description and promo code also in the description. So look at what they said here. Dollar VOXEL exchange ton info. So community, we are here and we see every question and concern. Yes, the price dipped a bit and that is totally normal at this early stage. But we are not just here to swap tokens, we are here to build real value. We have already allocated $50,000 from our own team and investor funds to reward your activity, not just to pump the price. Right now, we are going to see how is the VOXEL exchange ton calculated. So you need to meet up with this eligibility criteria before you'll be able to exchange your VOXEL to ton. And the first point is number of model collected. Number of model you build will determine if you can be able to exchange your VOXEL to ton. Now, the second point is tasks completed. The number of tasks you have completed, the referral activities, the model placed into farming, and overall app activities, logging in session and all that. So these are the things that will determine if you can actually exchange your VOXEL to ton. Now let's go to the bot. So right now you need to start building. Click on free model. I don't have inventory full, so I need to place some in activities. Now if you exchange, go to bag. This is your bag. The number, this one also determine the if you will be able to exchange your token. The number of model into farming, they are also going to consider that. Now if you go over to wallet, let's go to wallet. So right now you can see that the VOXEL, the price is at 0.00587, and right now if you want to exchange, if you meet this eligibility criteria, all you have to do is to click on exchange right away. So you are going to select your exchange. Now click on from, put it on VOXEL, then you change it to ton. You want to exchange your VOXEL to ton. So you click on mass right away. This is the number of VOXEL I have, and it's going to give me 1.259 ton. So look at what it says. This currency pair has a limitation to exchange. This limitation may be changed in any time by application. Your limit is 0.0/83 VOXEL. Now you click on exchange right away. Limited. So at this point, you cannot withdraw. So what you have to do is that you need to go back. You need to go back to the end session and perform all these tasks so that you can exceed the limit. If you are getting limitation from withdrawing, it simply means you need to perform tasks that will enable you withdraw. They've said it, you must build the models, and also not just only building the model, you have to complete all these tasks. We have so many tasks here to do. We must make sure that you participate in all these tasks, complete all these tasks, and you will be eligible. You will now be able to withdraw your token. And not just these tasks alone. If you go to back, you need to be building block. Once you build block, you see them here. Click on this one. Let me connect this one and start farming again. You must be connecting your VOXEL and at the same time farming. So make sure that you are building your block. If you have limitation, click on this free one. If you have limitation from all this, watch the ads so that you can access the app. You need to watch the ads, and after watching the ads, all these things will enable you to withdraw. They said the activities you perform in the bot will enable you to exchange your VOXEL dollar token to ton. So without performing the activities, you will not be able to withdraw. You will not be able to exchange your token. So make sure you do the the task section there, build, especially the task section and the block, build the task. There are a lot of tasks are here. Make sure you do them so that you can withdraw. So that is it for this video. If you have not started mining, link in the video description. Start mining VOXEL VAS immediately. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.